6:15. Aling tayo ng 15 minutes. Pero gagawa natin ang para.
Okay, good evening. Okay, good evening sa ipulat po dyan. Another basketball action po tayo for Saturday basketball action. First game for tonight. Saturday, labanan po tayo. Back-backan po tayo sa AFL Aviation Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. Wearing in black, yan po ang QR Towers versus wearing in blue, yan po ang Airport United. Okay. Oh, may pinipenta ako sapatos, oh. Oh, pe-flex ko no, yun, oh, sapatos. Oh. Oh. Oh, for sale pero malaki kasi. Yan, oh. PM lang, PM is the key. Yan, ha. Oh, pakimine na lang, pakimine na lang. Pakimine na lang po, ha. Pakimine. Westbrook. Ito yung Westbrook to, eh. Westbrook ang tawag dito kasi Westbrook daw. Yan, ha. Westbrook. Yan, ha. Oh. Di pa, never been touched, never been kissed yan, ha. Never been used also. Westbrook po yan. PM is the key. Maraming salamat po. Okay, first quarter action now between Airport United wearing in blue and white combination. Yan, against, of course, red po yan, Bulls po yan, Bulls motif. Yan po ang QR Towers. Okay. Okay, second half na lang sila. Okay, play ball po tayo. Play ball. First quarter, okay, nako po kagad. Nako pula. Good ball. Velasco, 2 points. 2 points, Mr. Velasco. Velasco, 2 points. Again, now si number 16. Escat. Muñoz sa ilalim. Masyadong malalim. Pops up, Salud. 2 points, Salud. Salud, 2 points. Okay, Velasco, number 6. Binababa ang bola. Velasco. Number 6. Makoy. Pops up, C. No good. Rebound. Dalaw sila.
Save ball tayo. Reset to 40. Shot back.
Okay, Ralph Castor's watching. Magandang siya, Ralph Castor. Koy Max. Makoy. And Scott, pinababa ang bola, pinasa kay Espiritu number 16. Salud, running shot, pasok ang bola. Salud, 2 points. Back to back field goals po ni Mr. Salud. Yung kanilang tall man or big man ng Airport United. Number 6, Velasco. Makoy. Soleta, 2 points. Soleta, for all. 8:34 remaining. And Drew. Masyadong malakas. Balik sa itim muli pang bola. Itim. Black ball. Ball is black. Okay, Makoy. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Makoy. Binababa ang bola. C. Makoy.
Defending well, but jersey number 16,
C. Touch and Scott recovering. Number 16 on the way. Number 16, left niya. Masyado malakas. Rebound by C. Alex. And to Makoy. Fumble. Fernando. Masyadong malakas. And good ball. Sileta. Alex. Now number 13. C. Driving stroke sa ilalim. Gives a pass. Alex for 2. No good. Rebound na by Mr. Salud. Number 16. Nandun si Alex. Nice steal by Alex. And now, chance again now to get back the lead. Makoy, fadeaway shot. No good. Nandun si AJ. 2 points, AJ. AJ, the pilot. Nandun si Espiritu. Escat pumuposisyon. Si Suro dinahanap. Okay, kay Muñoz. Nope, it's Kalilong. Scott Kumat. Rap play, 2 points, Salud. Nice shot by Salud. Salud, siya yatang all 6 points na being made by the big man, Mitchell Salud. McCoy, number 7, setting up the play now for QR Towers. Nando si Espiritu. And 1 play.
Jersey number 16.
Jersey number 16 called for a foul. Sorry.
43. 43.
Okay, 43 si C. C called for the foul. Espiritu number 16 for the bonus free throw. For the bonus free pops up. Wala. Rebound battle won by the blue shirt. Salud again. Salud. Scott. Wala na. Oy! Nice stop. Nice hustle play, Scott. Okay, Espiritu number 16. Scott. Kinuha yung bola. Scott. Nako, mali pinasahan. Hindi handa pinasahan. McCoy. Velasco. Malalim. Nandun si Salud. Nandun si Scott. Scott, binababa ang bola. Scott. Pinasa, may foul sa ilalim. Down. Jersey number 0 called for a foul.
Shot clock 14.
16. Nakalusot. Scott, nasa ilalim. 2 points. Scott, 2 points. And C.
Approaching 5 minutes. Second unit prepared.
C. McCoy for 3. No good. Nandun si Suleta. Number 17. And 10 bola. Black ball. Sabi ng referee.
14 shot clock.
Ball is black. C. No good. Si Scott nandun. Scott na naman. Nagmamadali. Hop. Good ball. And Salud. Easy 2.
Last possession tayo.
Okay, 2 points against Salud. Sir Billy Siena is watching.
Atake. Right in the middle. There's a foul.
Okay. Number 20 called for a foul. 5 minutes 15 seconds remaining. 8-12 ang 6-12 po ang score po natin. Lamang po ng 6 ang Airport United. McCoy. AJ. 3 points AJ. Rackon Mark. And palit pair na po tayo mga boss. Palit pair na po tayo mga boss. Shoutout Sir Billy Siena. Yan. Yung skipper po ng Sky Team. The Men in Blue. Yan. Okay, time out. Your Towers. Habang po tayo naka-time out po, ito binabenta ko po ito, sapatos Yan Westbrook po yan, bagong-bago. Never been touched, never been played Ayan PMS na kilang po yan Ayan PMS na kilang po yan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan size 12 po siya. Jordan Westbrook, pwede po ito panglaro po sa labas. At siyempre pwede po rin pong pang-forma. Ayan Yan, Jordan Westbrook po yan. Maraming salamat po Ayan. Yan. Wala lang box. Wala lang box po, pero maraming salamat. That size 12 po Jordan Westbrook, size 12. Available po rin po ito.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ito po ang AFL Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Ito po ang liga ng mga lumilipad or the Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Team LBC Haring Padala, Thread and Needles, SPB Ako Repair Association, and of course, nandiyan din po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Out of bounds. Liu. Mr. Liu, number 2. Talan, 2 points, Talan. Talan, 2 points. Talan, 2 points. And Barantes, binababa ang bola. Siermas Bang is watching. Escat. Barantes. Kiniliwa, kinanan. And tap out to number 8, Babagay. Jorge. Number 11. Barantes. And 1 play. Tora Barantes. Barantes, number 19, shooting for the bonus free throw. Barantes, number 19, 2 points given. 3:57 remaining sa ating first quarter action between QR Towers wearing in black and of course Airport United wearing in blue. Basket made, 3-point play completed. Okay, si number 99 nandiyan din pala. Si Mr. C nandiyan din. Kamis. Thinking 3. Malakas. Symbol. Kamis. Low post. Kamis sa ilalim. Dukot. Masyado malakas. And Babagay. Binababalik Babagay bola. Escat. Out of bounds. Aldrin Mandap Kento is watching also. Sir Mandap, budin po sir. Okay. Si Liu. Number 2, Liu. Number 12, Talan. Rebound battle won by Babagay. Barantes. How cold. Okay, Liu committed a foul. Barantes shooting for 2. Barantes, 2 shots given para kay Mr. Barantes. First shot. Nope. Second throw, Barantes jumpers. Ready po tayo. Barantes jumpers ready po tayo. Number 19, Barantes. Pops up. It's in. Okay, basket made. 11-16. Lamang po na 5 ang team Airport United. 11-16. Mateo. Talan. Barrels through. No good. Nandyan. Si number 11. Escat again. Escat against number 99. Escat. Second pick. Escat. Creating space. No good. No good, Escat. And still number 99. Kamis. No good. Sayang. Kamis. And Babagay. Palpal. Nice block by Kamis. Smothered by Kamis. Same ball po tayo. 15 seconds remaining. Kumat si Paul. 2 points Paul. Nice cut by Paul. Kamis. Liu number 2. PM lang po sa akin yan ay sapatos sa kung siyong bumili ha. Size 11 po yung Jordan Westbrook. Presyong kaibigan lang po yan, sir. Maraming salamat po. Rebound, Talan, 2 points. 13-18. Lamang ng 5 po rin po ang Airport United. Babagay, number 8. Binababa ang bola. Babagay. Number 11. Paul, pops up. Bang! 3 points. Number 11. Paul, 3 points. Talan, Eraskin. Up! Okay, good foul. Number 27, Mateo, was fouled by number 11. Eraskin. Kamis, number 99, thinking 3. Nope, it's driving. Driving and passing. Liu pops up for 3. No good. Still, Escat na naman. Escat, binamit na yung bola. Escat. Babagay. Kapos. Babagay, kapos po. Babagay. Number 99, Kamis. Kamis, 99. And one play made. Nice shot. Nice drive by number 99, Kamis.
Paul with jersey number 11. That's the second personal foul.
Okay, number 99, Kamis shooting for the bonus free throw. 40 seconds remaining to end down the first quarter action.
40 seconds remaining.
Pops up. Basket made. Okay, 16-21. Lamang muli po na 5 ang Team Airport United. Escat. Escat. Nice shot, Escat. Simple but elegant shot. And Kamis. Kamis number 99. Kamis again. Kapos. One more time. Nope. It's Paul. Number 13. Escat. Nando. May tao. May konting nakabangga lang. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep?
Paul committed on jersey number 2. Lou, that's his second.
Jersey number 2 again. Lou. Second personal foul.
Your towers from 9 seconds.
Barantes shooting for 2. Number 19, Barantes, first shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready.
8-point lead.
9 seconds remaining. First quarter action, drawing to a close. Barantes again. Nope. Kamis. Whoop! Nahulog, nawala. Black ball. Kamis. 1 second. Sayang. Okay, first quarter is drawn to a close already. The score is 16-24. Lamang po na 8 ang Airport United. Okay, hanap boy muna tayo. Okay This is your aviation friend, Dabas Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Una po, Team LBC, Harang Pala, Thread the Needles. And this game is sponsored by SPBARA, Ako Repair Association. And of course, PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, first game for tonight has been played now between Airport United and QR Towers. Coming up next po is, of course, Sky Team versus Qatar Duty Free or QDF Basketball Team. But meantime, ito muna po ang ating panoorin. Airport United versus QR Towers. Tawag ba? Dahil nag-message Gusto mo na sapatos? Meron akong bilabenta.
Ball will be awarded to Airport United.
Okay, Airport United po. Airport United.
Airport United.
AU. Dito. Ba? Okay, Kalilong for the inbound. Kalilong, number 17, inbounding. Okay, number Espiritu. Number 6, pops up, Munoz. Nope. AJ, naka-rebound. AJ. Ayan na, si Mr. Kamis, si Makoy. AJ. Thinking, nope, it's Kamis. Kamis for 3. Oh, ayaw niya. Velasco.
Velasco.
Nandun si Salud. Almost had it. Walang ano. Good ball. Velasco, walang mano. Velasco! No good. Nandun si Salud naman. Salud. Babagay. Driving strong. No good. Soft touch. Si AJ again. AJ Makoy. Intercepted by number 16. Salud. Anak. And Camis, number 99. 2 points, Camis. 18-26. Sa mabuli po ng walo ang Team Airport United. Espiritu, number 16. Kalilong. Julius, soft touch, 2 points. Julius Babagay. Soft touch, Julius Babagay, 2 points. And Velasco, binababa ang bola. Velasco, bring down the ball. Number 6. Velasco. C. Walang pinasahan. Okay, miscommunication po on the part of C and Camis. Back to Airport United, muli po ang bola. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Rebound by Camis. Camis naka-rebound. Camis, binababa ang bola. Camis driving strong. Nope. Nice one by C. Nope. Intercepted by Espiritu. Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. Again, Babagay, 2 points. The score is 18-30 at 12-point lead advantage now being posted now by Team Airport United. 7:30 remaining. Second quarter action. C. No good. And blue ball. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Espiritu. Kalilong. Salud. Babagay, almost lost the ball. Espiritu. Nandun si Muñoz. No good. Nandun si Salud. Wala pa rin. Espiritu. Babagay for 3. Bang! 3 points, Babagay. Babagay for 3. Pumasok. Velasco out of bounds. Okay, balik muli po si Airport United ang bola. Airport United looking for win number 4. And of course, score tapos looking for win number 3. Again, Babagay. Babagay. No points. Babagay, no points. Cure Towers po, ball po ng Cure Towers. Next held ball situation now will be for Airport United. And Velasco, binababa ang bola. Velasco. And Tumakoy, number 7, Makoy, thinking 3, ayaw niya. Velasco. Velasco, Makoy. Nandun si Salud. And Espiritu against C. Binababa ni si Espiritu. Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. Bank shot made by Mr. Babagay.
Approaching 5 minutes.
And Velasco. C. Against Salud. Nahihirapan. Tatangad ng batay. And nandiyan na si Babagay na naman. Babagay binamadali. Babagay. Malakas. And Velasco against Espiritu. C. Tinggi 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Makoy for 3. Nope. Rebound battle 1 by Salud. And now Espiritu again. Espiritu. Binababa ang bola ni Espiritu. And Babagay. Kalilong. Espiritu. Muñoz. Munoz driving strong. Pops up. No good. Nandun si Camis. Camis driving. Camis. Malakas. Munoz. Salud against AJ. Salud for 3. Ayaw. Nandun si Munoz. Espiritu 2 points. Change 5 po tayo. Okay, second lineup po tayo. Sino yung... Okay, QR Towers calls for the timeout. Sir Isa. First game po ito, Sir Isa. Between QR Towers and Airport United. And followed by next game po natin po is QDF versus the Sky Team. Pero habang naka-break po tayo, meron pong sapatos yung binibenta. Pakimain lang po. Ayan ha. Yan, Jordan Westbrook po yan. Wala pang gas-gas to. Never been touched, never been kiss yan. Size 12 po siya, wala lang box. Interested buyers, PM is the key ha. Yan ha. O yan ha, wala pa, di pa natatapak sa lupa yan ha. O. Yan ha, Jordan Westbrook po tayo yun. Yan o. Yan. May komento po dito. Sir Isa, ano po sir? Pwede kaibigan na sir. PM is the key sir. PM is the key po sir. I-PM mo lang ako sir. Maraming salamat po sir. Yan, binibenta ko po yan sir. Wala pa never been touch yan. Never been kiss yan. May bayar tayo. Scott, may bayar tayo. PM din sa kila po si Risa. Okay. Barantes, number 19. Walang pinasahan si Barantes. Masyadong malalim. Deep dive. And Liu. Talan. Liu. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Paul. Okay, rebound completed. Paul. Binabanatan yun. Ito na, Scott. Typical. Walang... Talan. Okay, Liu. Pops up for 3. Nope. Lopez again. Lopez secures the ball. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Lopez. Paul, no good. Rebound by Barantes. Scott again. Scott, shake and pick. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle by Black Ball. Sir Isa, maglalaro po sa second po si Sky Team versus QDF, sir. Yung team nila Siena versus yung team nila nila Roy. Yan ang maglalaro po. Okay, Lopez for the inbound. And to Barantes, binababa ang bola. Barantes, number 13. Barantes, Lopez, fadeaway shot, malakas. Nandun si Esquivel. Nandun si Talan, binababa ang bola. Talan again, Talan, palpal, pero may foul. Talan.
Jersey number 98,
Barantes. Okay, Talan shooting for 2, first shot. Wala. Talan, second shot. Jumpers ready. Talan, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo.
2 minutes remaining.
It's out. Wala pa rin. Nandun si Esquivel. To Talan. And Mateo thinking 3. Ayaw. Liu. Pops up. 2 points Liu. Pop-up jumper nilo, pumasok. 20-37. A 17-point lead advantage. Scott, 2 points. Left and right. Up, up, down, down. Left, right. BA base select start. Drive, this Scott. And Liu. Mateo. Jolens, pero may foul si Paul. Paul called for the foul.
Paul committed jersey number 11. That's your third personal foul. Paul. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Okay, first shot, good. Second throw. Mateo, second free throw. Pops up. It's out. And up. Holding foul for sure. Called on Talan.
Paul committed jersey number
1 minute 25 remaining. 1 minute 25 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. Out of bounds. Masyado malakas po ang pasa po natin. Pahinaan lang po ang pressure. Suleta, Ginolens, no good. Good ball, out of bounds, out of space. Okay, Lopez. Inbounding to Barantes. Barantes, binababa ang bola, Escat muli, Escat, binuhat, 2 points. Escat, tiningkayad lang, 2 points. Liu against Scott. Nakalusot si Liu against number 13. Torre. Mateo against Torre nakalusot. Foul, sundot. Nasundot. Mateo, number 27, called for a foul.
13 foul.
Pops up. Wala. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Nandun si Barantes. Binababa ang bola. Barantes bring on the ball. Barantes again. Barantes. Foul called. 41 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. After this po, halftime po tayo. Barantes first shot. Barantes first free throw. Wala. Barantes second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Barantes sa rebound. Suleta, Barantes, Nando Suleta, nice securing the ball. Zuleta, shake and pick, Zuleta. Nope, rebound, Betore, foul on Suleta.
Jersey number 29.
Suleta called for the foul.
Last shot.
24 seconds na lang ang nalalabi sa second quarter action. Lopez, 24. Lopez. Barantes. Lopez. 13 seconds remaining. Escat, thinking 2, 3, nope. Escat, nawala ang bola. Hop! Good ball. Barantes for 3. Malakas. Okay, after 2 quarters, the score is 21-41. Lamang po ang Team Airport United. Halftime tayo mamaya na lang.
That's good for you.
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter action po tayo on the way. Pero habang naka-break po tayo again ha. Ito ha, binibenta ko ha. Yan ha. Size 12 po yan. Size 12 po yan ha. Jordan Westbrook po yan. Never been touched. Never been kissed. Never been used yan ha. Yan ha. Press na press pa rin yan. Wait. Yan ha. PM is the key. PM is the key. Presyong kaibigan lang po tayo, sir. Dito tayo. Ay, tangik. Third quarter action now, Spiritu. And Lopez. Change quarter po tayo. Spiritu number 16. Salud. Double teamed. Lopez for 3. Nope. Rebound by Camis. McCoy, number 7. AJ. Velasco. Nando si back row play. Pasok ang bola. Backdoor play po ginamit nila. Backdoor play po ginamit nila. Again. Lopez. Kalilong. Babagay. Lopez. Babagay. Kalilong. And one play.
Foul committed. Jersey number 6, Velasco. That's your first personal.
Kalilong. Pasok.
Completing.
Okay, 23-44. 21 point advantage. And Talan. Velasco. McCoy. Slippery fingers. Nope. Second. 9:04 remaining. And Mr. Lopez. Lopez binababa ang bola. Salud. Dako ng bola. Salud again. 2 double shirts. Salud. Power move. Oh, traveling variation code dun Salud. Sayang. Salud, traveling violation called. And again, now to Mr. C. McCoy nakalusot. Thinking 3, pops up. Malakas. Kalilong again. Babagay. Number 8. Babagay. Hoop shot. May pasok ang bola. McCoy, dukot sa ilalim, pasok. Dukot sa ilalim, ni McCoy, pasok po tayo, pasok. Lopez, foul call, tumapik. May tumapik sa kamay ni Lopez. Okay, may nagpapamessage dito, sinasabi nga po rito. Third dinner Canton, shoutout po kay Sandy Boy Fred Di Macali. Babagay, salud. Fumbled. Velasco, foul called. Salud.
Foul committed by jersey
Taktakin mo
number
na.
24, Lopez.
Okay, balik tayo kay Mr. Velasco. Inbounding. Number 6. Velasco. And to Makoy. Makoy again. Naku, mataas ang pasa. Makoy, too high sa pass.
Shout out, Dirty
Oh.
Canton.
O, sige, ano pa? Sige, sabihin mo. Sige, magsalita ka pa.
Nakapintan.
Oh, ba? Lopez, no good. Nice try. AJ, Kamis again. Kamis. Kamis, binabantayan. Kamis. 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 Nice swipe. Kamis again. 3-second violation. Naipit sila. Babagay. Lopez. Lopez, babagay. Lopez. Salud again. Salud. Number 9. Driving strong. Nope. It's Bacoy swiping the ball. Velasco, nakalusot. Velasco, naku, malakas. Si Velasco again. Foul called. Velasco shooting for 2.
Foul committed jersey number 24, Lopez.
Jersey number 20 called for a foul. Velasco first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Velasco. 6:30 remaining. Pops up. It's in. Nice shot by Velasco. Lopez. Babagay. Babagay, binababa ang bola. Babagay.
Lopez now.
Spiritu. Nice swipe. Out of bounds. Nice D. Nice D. 20 sports. Lamang pa rin po ng 20 ang... Lamang pa rin 20 pa rin po ang Pure Towers. Ay, ang Airport United. 20-point advantage. 26-46. AJ number 0.
14 shot clock.
Makoy. For 3. Nope.
Babagay, pass to Lopez.
Lopez. Walang pinasahan.
Steal.
AJ. Binato kaya C.
Velasco.
Velasco. Easy 2.
Basket.
Lopez. Lopez. Lopez driving. Sa ilalim. Foul called. Foul called. Lopez shooting for 2. Jersey number 6 calls for the foul.
Timeout. QR.
Okay, nag-time out po ang Pure Towers. Maghanap boy muna po tayo. Okay? Okay. Oh, pre. Tama to, di ba? Okay. This is your team. This is your ABS friendly Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to identify sponsors. Ito pa ang Team LBC, Hanap Padala, and Thread the Needles. Sama na po natin po dyan ang SPB-ARA o Ako Replay Association and PSB Basketball League. And of course, nandiyan po ang Pure Towers versus Airport United. First game po tayo sa gabing ito. And of course, followed by Sky Team and QDF. Okay. Lopez, shooting for 2. Lopez, 24, pops up. Out. Okay, jumpers ready. Jumpers. Biscat, pumasok na. 5:14 remaining. It's out. Okay. Mateo. Binababa ang bola. Liu. Mateo. Mateo. Kamis. Kamis. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Paul. Eraskin. Attempt by Eraskin. Scott. Munoz. Nope. Op, si Daisy. Foul. Offensive foul.
Substitution. Lopez, that's your third personal foul.
Lopez, pangatlo ni Lopez po yan. Okay, si Torres. Si Torre pumasok. Liu. Talan. No good. Rebound battle 1 by Paul. Paul. Barantes. 2 points. 2 points Barantes. Liu. Kamis. Malakas. Barantes, palpal. Paul for 3. Nope. Rebound by Kamis. Kamis again. Kamis. Talan for 3. Malakas. Malakas ang loop. And Scott, 27. Shake and pick. Takalusot. Foul. Foul called. 27. Scott shooting for 2. 3 minutes 46 remaining.
That's your second personal.
Scott, first shot. 3:46 remaining. Pasok. Second throw ni Scott. Second free throw ni Scott.
Second try.
Basket made. Yes. Okay, complete shot at 28-50. The biggest lead so far now by the blue shirts. 22 points. Kamis. Nope, Scott again. Nang-rebound. Torre. Barantes 2 points. Kamis. Eraskin. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Scott. Scott ang rebound.
Scott. Wide
For
open.
3. Bang! Scott 3 points. Three points Scott. 2:51. Sayang. Blocking foul called. Blocking foul called on number 2 for sure. Liu, 2 shots given kay Paul. Liu, blocking foul called. 2:38 remaining, third and quarter action. 7 o'clock pala. Okay. Paul, first shot. Pasok. Paul, second throw. Jumpers ready. Paul, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Okay, 2:36 remaining. Kamis again. Kamis. Driving strong. No foul. And naku!
Two minutes, 15 seconds, third period.
Makoy. Pops up. Nope. Suleta. 2 points.
Soleta. Put back.
2 points. Suleta. 1:58 remaining. Naku, nagkaroon ng konti confusion. Again, back to the black shirts. 1:50 remaining. 30-56 the score. Makoy. No good. Rebound by Scott. Scott, binato. Torre. 2 points, Torre. Torre, 2 points. Zuleta. Nope. Makoy. Sa ilalim. No good. Scott again. Torre. Barantes, 2 points. Okay, 30-58. Timeout call by QR Towers.
UR Towers.
Shoutout po kay Scott, sabi ni Albert Marasigan. Okay, back to the ball game. The biggest lead so far at 30 points. The biggest lead so far at 30 points, 1:12 remaining.
30. Lead. By Airport Connect.
Okay, Velasco, Tumakoy, number 7. Velasco, pops up for 3, ayaw. Hop, sapatos. Makoy. Scott, shake and fake. Pops up, pasok o bola.
40 seconds.
40 seconds remaining. Pakisabi, Scott, huwag masyado galingan. Munoz called for a foul. Substitution made now. Okay, babagay labas muna para kay Paul.
34 seconds.
Zuleta, number 29. First shot made, good. Zuleta, second shot, wala. AJ, pops up. Malakas. Paul, binababa ang bola. Paul, on the run. Paul, Barantes, swipe by AJ.
Single. 24 seconds.
24 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 15.
Scott. Barantes, behind the sky play, wala.
20 seconds.
Makoy, 2 points, easy 2. Ha? Pak! Technical foul. Technical foul, Airport United, bench decorum. Bench decorum. Airport United, technical foul. Pasok.
40 seconds.
14 seconds remaining. Barantes. Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Na-swipe ka naman. Ito na naman. Makoy. 3-on-1. Makoy. No, it's Lop. Zuleta, 2 points. Okay, that's it. Third quarter is finished. Fourth and final quarter coming up. Pre, ito yan binibenta yan sapatos yan never been touched yan, never been used yan Westbrook, Jordan Westbrook yan ayan bago-bago pa yan, wala lang alang box. PM is the key yan, PM is the key. Size 12 nga lang.
Nasa Arben, ang balita nito.
Ito, nagbibenta ako sapatos.
Size 12?
Size 12.
Asa ka? Uy,
Westbrook.
magkano to?
Presyong kaibigan.
Siguro.
Ay, doon. Presyo kaibigan.
Magkano ang presyo ng kaibigan mo?
200. Kung pwede na lang magkatawaran pa tayo. Ano ba sa isang pa mo? 12 ko, 12. Uy! Oh, pa. Same ball, kick ball. Basta isa na. Kumusta si Idiot? Idiot, kumusta?
Ano yun? Okay lang. Ano yun? No, yan ang dapat na policy.
Malinaw.
3 points.
Talagang penalty na ano doon, sanction.
Marinig yan, sir.
Eh, nakano nga, binaba ko eh. Ayan.
Bakit suspended itong ano?
Ayun lang. Eh, mamer, sensitibo to. Kailangan eh. No good! Tinulay! Babagay, binababa ang bola. 9 minutes remaining. Number 8, Lopez Palpal. Good block. Ito na naman siya. Si Mr. Velasco. Makoy. 2 points. Babagay. Salud, 2 points.
Basket for Salud.
Sabi ni Marsica, wag daw galingin ng Scott. Malakas. Again, ito na naman siya. Kick pass kay Lopez. Lopez, 2 points. Lopez, 2 points. C. Kamis. Dapat post-up na lang siya. Mataas siya. 12. Babagay. Bothered. Bapas. Balik bulok sa itim ang bola. Dala pa naman inspiration. Velasco. Ayan na. 7. Top, teka lang po. Traveling call, sabi ng referee kay Makoy. Makoy call for traveling. 7:36 remaining.
Third quarter, sir.
Ito na si Mr. Kalilong. Lopez for 3. Bang! Lopez, 3 points. C. Naipit. Nice pass. Makoy, floater shot. 2 points. Babagay, number 8. 7:09 remaining. 47-32 point lead. Advantage been posted now by Team Airport United. Babagay to Kalilong. To Lopez again for 3. Bang! Lopez, 3 points. Velasco. Naipit. Velasco. Nandun. Babagay. Salud. Okay, jumper hoop. Pasok siya. C. Lopez. C. 2 points. Again, Babagay. 6:21 remaining. 42-71. 42-77. A 35-point lead advantage have been posted by Airport United. Babagay 2 points. Babagay 2 points. Di na ko yung okay. Talan. Velasco. Makoy running shot. Nope. Nandun si Salud. Salud. Number 9. Salud. Nawala ang bola. Lopez. Nope. Makoy. To Velasco. Binababa ang bola. Kamis. Okay, Kamis 2 points. Sinubo na yung bola. Pops up. Babagay. Nope. No good. Salud naman. Dinabas ang bola. Lopez for 3. Bang! Okay, timeout called by QR Towers. Okay, you're watching right now Airport United versus QR Towers. Afterwards po is of course Qatar Duty Free versus the Sky Team. This is your aviation friendly Dabas Flying League. Would like to notify sponsors. Team LBC, Hari ng Padra, Thread the Needles. And of course, SPB, Ako, Referee Association, and PSBQ Basketball League. You're still watching it now, QR Towers versus Airport United. Espiritu. Palpal, pero pumasok. Sumabit si Velasco. 4:56 remaining. Kasi kalaban nila. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Nandun si Velasco. Velasco binababa ang bola. Velasco. Makoy. 2 points. Escat against Lou. Escat. 27. Escat. Shake and fake. Torre. No good. Makoy. Okay, 2 points Makoy. 48-32. 48-82. Ang 34-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Team Airport United. Espiritu. Paul for 3. Nope. Velasco. Liu. Malakas. Rebound Barantes. Nice one, Espiritu. Espiritu 2 points. Makoy, 3:50 remaining.
Wala si Jeff?
Tama. So, pamit na. O sapatos o. Westbrook. Peta ko.
Ay, tama pa rin po.
Eh, nako na nga dito eh.
Hindi ba ang bibili ko?
3:24 remaining. 48-84. Pompiang. Escat. Against Velasco. Nakalusot. Escat. Nandun si Makoy. Nandun si Paul. Malakas.
4 against 2. Alley play. Back.
No good. Sir Jason Chongson is watching also. Danggap sa boss Chongson. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Okay, substitution po tayo. 2:46 remaining. 48-84. Sir Jason Chongson is watching also. 2:46 na lang bago matapos itong larong ito.
2 minutes.
Barantes, binababa ang bola. Barantes. Espiritu. Nando si Scott, no good. Hindi na ko yung bounce. Makoy na naman, ang isa. Again, Makoy. 2 points Makoy. Finisher. Barantes again. Scott. Paul sa ilalim, malakas. Isa pa, Paul. Foul. Talaan call for a foul. Jersey number 12 called for the foul. Paul number 11 shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Pasok po tayo, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Both basket made. Torre, palpal. Liu, no good. 1 minute 57 remaining. Espiritu, number 16.
Last 2 minutes.
Scott. Scott. Nice wraparound play. 1 minute 45 remaining. McCoy pops up. Nope.
Rebound by C.
C. No good. Espiritu. Barantes for 3. Ala. 125 remaining. Okay. Kamis, 2 points. Buti na matibay yung court. Espiritu. Espiritu. Again. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Blue ball. Espiritu. Nakalusot. Espiritu. Malakas. Oh, dunk, dunk, dunk. Dunk.
Another one.
Okay, 2 points again by Kamis. I think that's it. Okay, QR Towers conceded already. Final score 54-88. That concludes our first game for tonight between QR Towers and Airport United. Final score 54-88. Maraming salamat po. Mami po, sa ngayon po tayo po is Sky Team and QDF. Thank you very much.